Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're making this cheesy baked spaghetti. This was super easy to make and it's family friendly meal. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's get into the video.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still not a...
In a large wok or pot, we are going to add in our ground beef. You can use ground turkey or ground chicken, whichever you prefer. I would have bought ground turkey, but I couldn't find any or the kind I usually get from the store, so I just got ground beef. This is about 2 pounds of ground beef. I am making a really large batch of spaghetti, so you can divide the recipe in half. It just depends on how much you're making. Here I'm just kind of breaking the ground beef into like smaller pieces because I don't want large chunks of my sauce later. I would suggest using a wooden spatula or a the ground beef utensil thing. I don't know what it's called. Once your meat cooks, you have all this fat, drain out that fat, and it should be dry like this. Now we're adding in our seasonings. Of course, I'm using my Kinder seasoning, black pepper, paprika, all that good stuff. I will leave the exact measurements down below in the description box. Now I'm just mixing it all together, and then I'm going to add in my chopped onion. This is the small chopped onions, and I'm also adding in cilantro. I love adding cilantro to my sauce. Any sauce I make, cilantro has to go in. It just gives it a really nice flavor. But I'm giving it a really quick mix. Mix this all together really well, the seasonings, everything. And then I'm adding in my sauce. I'm using RAGU sauce, if that's how you pronounce it. I'm using 2 jars because, again, this is a really large batch. But once you add that in, you're going to give this a really good mix. Make sure the sauce is fully incorporated into the meat and everything. Do you guys see how beautiful this looks already? And we're not even done yet. Like, this color is just amazing. But if you guys are enjoying the video so far, please give it a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. If you are new to my channel and you love cooking videos, please subscribe. But now add about half a cup of water to one of the jars and then add it into the sauce because it is quite thick. I want it to be a little thinner but not too watery. This is like the perfect consistency. But now is the moment where you taste your sauce and see if it needs anything, because the main part about baked spaghetti is the sauce. You need your sauce to have all the flavor it needs. I added in a little more seasoning, of course, because I did taste it and I felt like it needed more. Now I did just cover it and let this simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. While this was simmering, I did cook my spaghetti. I made about 2 pounds of spaghetti. I will leave it down below in the description box. Once the spaghetti is cooked, we are adding it into the sauce. Now, as you can see, this did not work out well for me because the wok was way too small for the amount of spaghetti I was making. This is not even all of the spaghetti. I still had more to the side, but I couldn't add all of it in because it was way too small. So I did have to transfer all of this into a bigger pot. So if you're making as much spaghetti as I am, use a really large pot because this was not fun. I had a really hard time mixing all this together. But now you just want to give it a really good mix. Make sure everything is fully mixed in together. But as you can see, it's already looking really good. Like, you can eat this as is, but we are going to bake this and make it even more delicious than it already looks. In a baking tray, we are going to transfer all our spaghetti into it. As you can see, this is a lot of spaghetti, but it worked out. It still worked out really well. Now I'm going to top it with cheese. This is going to be a really thick layer of cheese because I want that cheese pull once I'm done baking it. But once I have all my cheese on top, I did sprinkle some parsley flakes on top just to give it that nice pretty color. I put it in the oven for 365 for 20 minutes, and then I put it on broil for 5 minutes. And then that's it. Look how delicious this looks. It turned out amazing. My family loved it. But now I'm just cutting into it. It was amazing. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.